Hi again, guys, I'm John, here to show you that installation and setup of the Honeywell D6 Pro Wi-Fi ductless controller is incredibly simple. And by simple, I mean installation that doesn't require tools. To install a wall mount, plug the USB power cable into the controller, snap on the backplate, attach it to a wall, and plug it into power. To install a tabletop unit, thread the cable through the stand, plug it in, snap on the stand, plug into power, and you're done. The D6 Pro sends commands to the ductless system by infrared. So when you're placing the controller, you need a clear signal path to the head unit. As for commands, the D6 Pro comes preloaded with IR codes for more than 100 ductless models. And hey, do yourself and customers a favor. Pull the batteries from the OEM's remote and put it away so it can't send conflicting signals. System setup is just 6 settings, all entered into the D6 Pro itself. You don't even use an app. Just plug in the power and press any button to enter setup. Press the mode button to access options for the first setting, controller location. Leave it at 1 for tabletop, or press the plus button for option 2, wall mount. Press the mode button again to enter your selection. Repeat this process for entering the rest of the settings. Mode button, choose the option, and mode button again to enter the selection. At the end of all 6 steps, you'll see these brackets. Press the mode button to save and exit system setup. It's as simple as that. In less than a minute, you're good to go. Homeowner handoff is just as easy. Use the Honeywell Home app to email instructions to your customer so they can complete the Wi-Fi setup on their own. No more hassling with passwords or troubleshooting. Well, that's the complete install for the Honeywell D6 Pro Wi-Fi ductless controller. Quick and painless. Check out other D6 Pro videos at forwardthinking.honeywell.com/D6Pro. Thanks for watching.